A very good morning, all of you. Today we are going to cover our chapter 4 of grammar, and that is possessive nouns. Possessive nouns, as the name suggests, possessive means possession. Possessive nouns are nouns which shows possession or ownership. Okay, possessive nouns, they shows ownership or relationship. So how they work? Let's see. We'll start with few examples like this is Ananya's pen, this is Pinky's cat, this is Tina's book, and this is Zina's toy. That means the pen belongs to Ananya, the cat belongs to Pinky, okay, or Pinky has ownership on cat, right? The book belongs to Tina and the toy belongs to Zina. This shows possession, and to show possession we add apostrophe and s. What we add? We add apostrophe and s, and this apostrophe and s, this is known as apostrophe, and we add s. This apostrophe and s, this shows possession. Okay, this shows possession or relationship of a noun with particular thing, right? And to show possession, to write the possessive form of a noun, we have to follow few rules. Now these rules are: first, if the noun is singular noun, then we add simply apostrophe and s. Okay, like boy's car, okay, girls toy or toys, okay, or cat's bowl. These all are singular noun. Boy is a singular noun, girl is a singular noun, cat is a singular noun. Okay, we add apostrophe s to show possession of something. Okay, then second rule is plural noun. Plural noun means we will take only those plural which ends with s or es. Okay, in that case, if the word is already ending with s or es or double s, in that case we will just add apostrophe. Boys, girls, cats. In that case, to show possession, we will just add apostrophe. Okay, at the end of those plural nouns which end with s, double s, or es. Third rule is irregular plurals. Irregular plurals means it doesn't end with s or es. Okay, like child plural is children. Okay, so in that case also we add apostrophe and s. Children's park. Women, this is plural, not singular. Women's clothes. Okay, and sheep, deer, antelopes. जितने भी इरेगुलर प्लूरल्स हैं जो सिंपली एस ऐड करके नहीं बनते, उनमें वी जस्ट ऐड apostrophe and s. Next is if name or noun ends with s, like James, few words ends with s. Okay, like James house, so we will just add, already s is added, we'll add apostrophe. Okay, Thomas, we can't add s after apostrophe in these singular nouns which ends in s. So these are the rules. Simply we add apostrophe and s with irregular plurals and singular nouns, and with normal plurals and few words which ends with s or double s or es, we simply add apostrophe to show possession or ownership, right? For example, let's say the pit of a snake. The pit of a snake. Snake ka pit. This pit belongs to snake. So how we would write it in possessive form? The snakes. Now snake is singular. The snake's pit. Okay. Same way the diaries of teachers. Teachers. Now teachers, singular or plural, tell me? This is plural noun and it ends with s, so we will write the teachers. As this is already plural, ends with s, we will just add apostrophe. Teachers diaries. Okay. The house of James. So we will write the James house. Simply, this noun is ending with s already, we will add apostrophe only. Okay. The office of parents. This we have already done. Parents, plural noun. The parents, apostrophe only, office. Okay, now irregular noun, irregular plural are left. The park of children. So how we would write? The children's park. So simply we follow these rules. We will add only apostrophe when the word is ending with s or when it is a normal plural word. We will add apostrophe and s in singular form of word and when the plural is irregular plural. Okay, and possessive noun, these shows possession or relationship or ownership of any particular thing. So do these things, do the practice, do this exercise part given in book on page number 17 and 18. We have done this in class as well. Try to solve the whole exercise. I'll send you solution. Do match your answers. Thank you so much. Have a nice day.